How to combine two emojis in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, with the iOS 17 update, you can combine two emojis in your iPhone. You can do it in iMessage. So, let's dive right in, open it up, and go to the conversation where you want to send the emojis. Go to your emoji option on your keyboard and then just drag one emoji to the message bar and then just hit send. Now, after you have sent it, you need to uh, drag another emoji that you want to combine. Just long press on the emoji and drag it up and place it near the emoji wherever you want. And that's it. You can add multiple. You can just drag it and put it right there and combine emojis. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.